Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam married me when I was 6, and I joined his household when I was a girl of 9. When we emigrated to Medina Munawwara, I remained a febrile patient for a month, due to which my hair remained only up to the ears. I was enjoying sewing with my girlfriends when my mother, Hazrat Ruman radiyallahu anha, called me. So I went to her unaware of the purpose of her call. She held my hand and made me stand at the door. I continued saying, "Hahu, hahu," until started panting for breath. She then took me into a house wherein some Ansari women were sitting. They invoked goodness and blessing for me, saying, "May your arrival be full of blessing. May it augur well." Hazrat Ruman radiyallahu anha entrusted me to them, who washed my head and titivated me. I got embarrassed when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came at forenoon, and those women handed me over to him. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3464.